Justin with Lucky SOB Garage here. I'm back on the C10 / Crown Vic, however you want to put that. I've moved the cab a little bit. It was sitting on the back axle, just kind of chilling there while I was cutting everything down, got everything cut last week. This is now Sunday. So I had my buddy come over, didn't film that because all we did was pick up the cab, push it forward, so now it's essentially leaning on the steering wheel over there. And now I'm going to try and pick it up with my engine hoist so I can try and make a cantilever and get it over where I need it to and see if I can get it all to fit. And then hopefully just get everything cut so that I can fit and start trying to get it where it needs to go so I can weld it. So that's where I am. So, gonna start off by cutting out a little bit of the front here so that I can clear up some space. Got my little torque here. Says, "There's carpet underneath. You can't do that. It's gonna catch on fire." Well, you're not the boss man, do what I want. It's also heavily saturated. Alright, there's the first section. Move on over yonder. Did a really quick trim earlier. I think I have to actually bring it all the way back this way, almost all the way into this, to be able to actually get it to clear this and be able to snug up. I'm gonna have to get it pretty much all the way to the inner kick. Hi, me. I wonder what me's doing. needs to come forward, obviously. But so far, that's where I'm at. Steering wheel. It's come in a little, and that should, if I do it right, should get us pretty much there. Then I'll have to make a little filler panel. But then it has to come down just that much, and then I'll be happy. Because I have an airbag kit, or I have templates to make an airbag kit. And that can get at me as low as I really want. But yeah. But she's coming. Probably won't be able to work on it again till like next fucking week. Well, maybe with my plasma out here I'll be able to get to it. And then I'll just try and see what I can cut off with just my plasma. And then cross your fingers it's enough. I'll also probably end up cutting the rest of the surround up there and then just graft it onto the front. And hopefully I'll be able to make that work. Yeah. But that's it. I'm done for this video. It's probably only gonna be like 6-7 minutes long again, but I feel like the shorter videos are probably the easiest ones to watch, especially when it's so little work. So it's mainly gonna be time lapses until I can actually get a nice shop where I can actually set up stuff. Or at least good cameras. I just finally got a tripod, so that's helpful. Anyway, Justin with Lucky SOB Garage, signing out. If you enjoy any of my if you enjoy any of my content, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It would be super beneficial for me, and it will help me get along on that faster. Also, my other projects, Pre-Runner, Datsun, 521, a couple motorcycles, because why not? Airbrushing and stuff like that. I've also got a 64 Buick Skylark I need to paint. But, yeah, that's it. You guys have a good week, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.